Taking care of your air filter is one of the most important maintenance items you can do on your PW50. It's going to help prolong the life of your engine if it's properly maintained. You're supposed to do it after the first 3 months of owning the bike, and then every 6 months thereafter. It's super easy to do, so let's go ahead and get started. To get this job done, we need a number 3 Phillips 8mm socket, and you also want to have some air filter cleaner and oil. There's a few different options on our website. You're going to want to check that out. You can get biodegradable stuff, or like us, even though we have a twin air or twin air tubs, we have Maxima stuff in here, and that works great. Now, if you have a torn air filter, we have replacement options on our website, and we're also going to be using some safety glasses, rubber gloves, and some rags. To get to the air filter, you're going to want to remove the seat, so we just need to remove these 2 bolts in the back and pull it out. So right in front of this left rear shock, we have the air filter cover. I'm going to use a number 3 Phillips screwdriver to remove the screw that is in the center. Then we can pull the cap out the side. You're going to have to press down on the Kickstarter to do that. So you can see the filter does have a little bit of dirt on there. It's not the worst, but we're going to clean it off anyway. So just pull that off. And you want to make sure there's no dirt in here. And if there is, you just want to wipe it out. You can use a little bit of contact cleaner on a rag to help you do that. And if you're seeing a lot of dirt in here, you're going to want to inspect the air box and make sure there's no cracks in it. Now really quick, we want to do an inspection on the air filter. You just want to check it for any tears. Sometimes when these get old, they start to crumble apart. So if the foam is coming apart or you see any other damage, definitely get it replaced. So I'm going to open up the cleaning tub. I'm just going to drop this in and let it soak for 10 to 15 minutes. Now once it's soaked, you just kind of want to work that cleaner in just a little bit. And then once you've worked the cleaner in, you don't want to wring it out, but you can squeeze out any of that cleaner. We're going to rinse it off in some soapy water and let it dry. Once the air filter is completely dry, you're going to want to apply some air filter oil to it. And we're just covering both sides and then squeezing out any excess oil. And with this, you can see we still have a lot on there, so I'm just going to lightly roll this in a rag just to get a little excess off the surfaces. And this is what you want. If you can see the oily webs, you're good to go. Now we can reinstall the air filter. Just pay attention to the 2 cutouts and the 3 locating holes. Now we can reinstall our cover and that screw. Install the seat, and you're good to go. The last thing you need to know is you want to wait 10 or 15 minutes before you start the bike. That way the solvent in that oil can evaporate out so you don't suck it through. So that's how simple it is to change and clean that air filter on your PW50. If you need any parts for your 50, you can find those on our website or just click the link in the description below. And if you want to see more helpful content like this, make sure you subscribe to our channel. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ETVMC. Thanks for watching.